2007 Suzuki gsxr 600. This bike's a theft recovery. Bought it from a guy who had it stolen from him. Kids took it a couple blocks down the road, crashed it. It's an old stunt bike. Got adjustable rears. Everything's wired off on it. It's got a full Acropravich exhaust. Bike runs, has a small leak, just needs some plastics. Came with the cluster. Just some minor cosmetic work. I think it's a common leak. It's coming from like the water pump gasket, I think. Not really sure, haven't really got into it yet, but I had that same issue on my other gsxr. Like I said though, not much needed done to it. Not really sure what I'm gonna do with the color scheme yet, but these rims are powder coated pink, so it'd be a shame to paint those, but we'll see what we're gonna do. Not sure yet. Stay tuned.